just want to say to Whitney up in heaven, we all love you, Whitney Houston.
Oh, shit.
He's blind.
This is a cat being teased. The hunt is on.
I think he's incredibly fabulous. Yesterday and today.
Put this on YouTube.
Turn that back
And she's stalking under the table.
Come on, remote.
She's coming for the attack from the back. This is what happens when humans tease the animal instinct. I told you it was happening. And she's coming around.
Crazy cat!
Another for the other side of attack.
She didn't put her nails out.
She slapped
She
him.
didn't put her nails out.
It's okay, your dad want to tease her. The bird's fixing to be dinner.
Because Dad trusts the cat.
Right. Who,
Y'all put the Grammy Awards back on?
who trusts a cat?
It's a cat. It's an animal instinct.
Right?
She made a bird
Even if it's a cat,
Go get it up,
the
Jack.
nicest cat in the world.
Get it up.
Okay. What spray am I going to use?
Tissue paper.
Where is the stalker? Under the table.
You put the Grammys back on. Put the Grammy Awards back on.
And the girl's cleaning up the bird poop. The cat has made the bird shit on itself.
And another.
Wow, you getting any kind of disinfectant? That is my coffee table, you know.
Don't you dare!
You need to get some kind of clean that pledge and clean my table.
Not right now.
Look at this.
Where is she? And there she is, coming for attack too. She's looking at the little boy for permission. And attack is about to commence. She's thinking about it. Going in for the kill. Precisely 1, 2, and attack. You hungry, girl?
She's a good cat.
Yes, but you're a hunter and your daddy's teasing you. And here we go. The bird has turned its back. He's going down. See the paw?
She don't want him to run. She keeps running.
Oh, she'll be back. The ears are going back.
She's just hiding her ears, that's all.
Keep telling yourself that. And there's the paw. She's going in slow. Going back down. So when y'all least suspect it, y'all think she's playing. She's gonna get that bird so fast.
She better not. Y'all telling her that it's okay.
No, you're telling her it's okay. You got the bird in her face. Let's see some action,
Better not
says.
mess with my bird.
It's not her fault. You teasing her.
I'm gonna fuck her up.
Yeah, it's not her fault.
He's not teasing her.
She's a hunter and he's got a bird in her face. Yeah. Y'all gonna act shocked
I'ma
and
hunt her
be
ass.
mad at her when she gets him? Your fault, see?
That's it.
Going in for the kill.
You fucking hurt my bird.
She's no longer hearing you. She's in hunt mode.
That's it.
She's listening to you.
Yes, she is.
Move away from the table.
That's it.
She was able to jump on that table.
She can. She ain't doing it because she know better.
She knows she ain't gonna jump on that table.
Before Taraji and I
That's
present
it.
the next award,
I'm gonna fuck
we
you
want
up.
to thank and salute
one of this year's Grammy Lifetime Achievement Award recipients. He's a great man of music
I
that
heard
we
my
lost
bird.
last year.
I'm talking about one of our forefathers of hip hop.
One of our forefathers of hip hop. Mr. Afro.
Oh, like you? Jerry Curl
clear,
coming
B.
back. Jerry
I'm clear,
Curl
B.
coming
Don't
back.
Don't knock clear. Hate the game. Don't hate clear.
What you play?
I'm a
PS3?
baller. I'm a baller. You just called a shot.
Oh, hey! Look at that. That's Chris Brown. Hey.
Paper.
Yummy. Oh, where's the attacker? Where's she at? All right, we'll tune back in. Same back cave, same bat time.
She came under.
Oh, she's coming in for attack.